Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to install Galaxy Wearable app on your Android device. Galaxy Wearable app connects your wearable devices to your mobile device. It monitors wearable device features and apps which you install through Galaxy app, and today I will help you to install Galaxy Wearable app in your Android device. So first of all, just make sure you have good internet connection, then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Then tap on the search box and type Galaxy Wearable into it. Then after tap on the green button that says Install on the top right corner. Well, downloading may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Next, your Wearable app is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe the channel, comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you later.